By the end of this video, you will learn how to generate SEO-optimized Amazon product descriptions that will catch attention, create engagement, and encourage conversion in the form of sale. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon seller, you know how crucial it is to have killer product descriptions. They're your virtual salesperson, convincing customers to click the Add to Cart button. But writing them can be time-consuming and challenging. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful prompt that will generate SEO-optimized Amazon product descriptions in seconds. Here's the prompt we'll be using. As a seasoned copywriter specializing in website copy, your task is to compose a compelling product description for a product. The description should highlight the product's unique features, benefits, and its value proposition to the consumers. It should be written in a persuasive, engaging, and easy-to-understand style that aligns with the brand's tone of voice. The copy should be SEO-friendly to improve the product's visibility on search engines. It should also include a clear and compelling call to action to drive conversions. Remember, the goal is to convince potential customers that this product meets their needs and is worth purchasing. Let's break this down. Notice the parts that mention unique features, benefits, value proposition, SEO-friendly, and call to action. These are the core elements we want ChatGPT to focus on. Also, remember to replace product with your actual product name. Now, let's see this in action. I'm going to replace product with ergonomic office chair. Then hit enter. Look at that. ChatGPT has generated a detailed and persuasive product description, highlighting the chair's features and benefits. It even includes a call to action. Notice how it mentions the ergonomic design, adjustable features, and comfort benefits. It's also written in a clear and engaging style. To make it even better for SEO, we can add relevant keywords like lumbar support, adjustable armrests, and mesh office chair if these keywords are applicable. Remember, you can customize this prompt to fit your specific needs. You can change the brand tone, add specific keywords, or focus on particular features. Experiment with different variations to see what works best for your products. Always review and edit the generated descriptions to ensure they accurately reflect your product and brand. You can also add bullet points for easier readability. So, there you have it, a simple and effective way to generate SEO-optimized Amazon product descriptions using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital marketing and SEO tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching.